Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Qari Muhammad Hamza and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Qari for Kids. I hope you are all well and good health. So let's begin today's video. Before starting today's video, let me remind you that in yesterday's video we studied lesson number 1 of Noorani Qaida. We covered two lines from that lesson, these two lines, alif to seen. I hope you understand. Inshallah, in today's video, we will complete this lesson. So let's begin in yesterday's video. I showed you the correct way. We will try to understand these letters properly. So let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First letter is Shin. 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 The shape of Shin is similar to Sin almost, with three arches or curves. The key difference is that Sheen has three dots above it, which sets it apart from Seen. It closely resembles Seen, but the three dots above make it easily recognizable. I hope you understand. Second letter is Swad. 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 Swad has no dots, which makes it simpler compared to some other letters. This letter is easily recognizable due to its unique shape and lack of dots. Swad. Swad. Next letter is Zod. 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 The only difference between the letter Sod and Zod is that Zod has a dot above it, while Sod does not have any dots. I hope you understand. Next letter is To. 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 Next letter is Zo. 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 These two letters, To and Zo, look like almost similar, but the difference is To has no dots and Zo has one dot above it. Ain. 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 Ghain. Ghain. Ghain, Ain, and Ghain look like almost similar, but the difference is Ain has no dot above and Ghain has one dot above it. Next letter is Fa, Fa, Fa. Fa has one dot above it, which is a key feature for its identification. This dot located directly above the letter. The sound of fa is similar to the English f as in English fish, fish like fa, fa. I hope you understand. Next letter is qaf, qaf, qaf. Next letter is ka, ka. These two letters, qaf and kaf. Qaf letter is heavy letter, pronounced in heavy. Qaf and this letter kaf look like simple. Kaf. I hope you understand. Second letter is lam, lam, lam. Me, 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 no, no, no. Wow, wow, wow. Ha, ha, ha. Hamza, Hamza. Ya, ya, ya. I hope you have studied and understood today's lesson properly. So we will end this video here. If you like the video, please comment, and if you want to learn more, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Qari for Kids. Thank you.